Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll dive into how you can monetize your creative skills using two powerful platforms, Canva and FreePik. Canva is a popular graphic design website where you can create stunning visuals for various purposes, from social media posts to presentations. On the other hand, FreePik serves as a platform where you can sell your creative content, including images and designs. So, how can you combine these two platforms to make money? Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, you'll need to become a contributor on FreePik. This involves signing up and uploading your original designs, photos, or illustrations. Once approved, your content will be available for purchase by users on the platform. Now let's move to Canva. Here you can leverage their vast collection of templates to create unique designs. For instance, if you're preparing for Mother's Day, you can customize a Mother's Day template to your liking. Once you've created your design on Canva, download it as a PDF file. Then head over to a conversion website like Convertio. Here, you can convert your PDF file into a PSD format, which is editable using software like Photoshop. Alternatively, if you are proficient in Photoshop, you can directly create your designs there and save them as PSD files. Now comes the crucial part. Upload your PSD files to FreePik. By doing so, you're offering your designs for sale to a broader audience. Users on FreePik can purchase and download your designs for their projects. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and uploading new designs to FreePik to maximize your earning potential. And don't forget to keep an eye on any policy changes or updates on both Canva and FreePik. In summary, by harnessing the design capabilities of Canva and the selling platform of FreePik, you can turn your creativity into a lucrative source of income. So get started today and unleash your artistic talents. If you found this tutorial helpful and want a more detailed guide, drop a comment below. Your feedback shapes future content. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.